And we're back with another knife review. Today it is the steel wheel. This is considered the mini Tasso. It has the ant lock, which is, well, you'll see it here in a second. Let's go over some of the specs on this knife. It is 7.25 inches overall. Blade length is 3. That's a Bowler M390 blade. Drop point. Flat grind satin finish. Plain blade. It weighs in at 2.91 ounces. It has a blue back spacer. Thumb stud for opening. Right hand and left hand tip up carry. Stainless steel pocket clip. It's a manual flipper. It is made in Italy. Designed by Anton Kachenko. And we'll go ahead and show you a little bit about how this knife works. You can see it's easy to one hand. It's hard for me to do facing you. Let's go ahead and grab something here to show you how it works. This is a very lightweight knife. It is, I think, under 3 ounces is what I had told you earlier. So you can see it's going to be extremely sharp. Of course, it's M390, so you're not going to have any issues with cutting. And we'll cut in a forward direction. You can see this knife cuts better forward with a flat grind. We'll go ahead and show you how it cuts with this cardboard here. As you can tell, we don't really have to put any pressure to the cutting. I think I'm going to have to get me some less damp cardboard. But this knife cuts as you would expect it to. I think that one cut through the board. So this is the steel wheel Tenet. Sorry, not the Tenet. Mini Tasso. And what I was thinking there. It has a lanyard area here at the bottom. Its scales are G10, but they're a smooth G10. Has a nice contour for the hand, as you can see. Fits your fingers nicely. I guess depending on the size of your hand. So this knife is 7.25. So my hand's just a little bit longer than the knife itself. But this is a nice knife for the size and weight combo. Be very durable. Of course, M390. And I mean, you could use this knife as a backup outdoor knife if you chose to. So this is the steel wheel mini Tasso. If you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe or follow us. We would greatly appreciate it. And if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and the bell, and you'll get all of our knife content, which is a lot. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.